So if you missed this the other day on RacerX Online's Instagram, they posted this: help Jason Lawrence replace his stolen dirt bike. And it's a basically go to his GoFundMe and give him money. But at the very bottom, you have Paul X saying, quote, or you could go get a job. Well, it's kind of true. Now, during this promotion or what, not whatever the word they use at GoFundMe, he ended up, I think it was more than the 11,000. It was something like 223 donations. I think it ended up being like closer to 12. But after all that, he got $12,000 from people just sending him money because they feel bad. And well, apparently, it doesn't matter because the police somehow found his bike after a day or two, which is highly unlikely. Let's be honest here. If your dirt bike's stolen, it's very quickly or not very quickly found. Yeah, right there. $12,000, 223 donations. And apparently, as far as I've seen no updates past this. He has no idea what he's going to do with it. He's just keeping the money at the moment. I mean, somewhere it says like he has until June 25th before it has to be transferred out, blah, 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 blah. It's like you've got your bike back, which was the whole purpose of the GoFundMe account. So, and you have people like this, keep my donation, everyone, blah, blah, blah. No, it's if you've got your bike back, the whole purpose of that money was to go buy a bike because that's how he makes money. Granted, I don't know how he does that since he doesn't race, and in my mind, who knows what. Uh, this was I've got a big enough name. I still have some fans, so people are just going to send me money because they feel bad, and who knows. But if you've got your bike back, there's no reason to have to go fund me because you don't need to buy another bike. So all that money should just get transferred back to whoever sent it to you. Like, it doesn't make sense to me why he'd even have a consideration of what I'm going to do with this money now. I think he's just going to end up keeping it, and it's going to be one of those stupid things where, you know, hey, I got 12 grand for free. I'm going to go blow it on whatever I want because, I'm that kind of person. But if you donated to this, I'm sorry that sucks for you. I don't know why you would begin with, but I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. What do you think of the whole situation? Did you have any updates on this? Because I can't find any. If you type in J Law on anywhere, it comes up to Jennifer Lawrence. So he's really not all that popular. But someone comment down below. Tell me any updates or what you think on it. Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform lets you do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.